Another way to explore import shared data is to use the data catalogs. So you will find those on the shared data website by clicking on the blue snowflake here. And those data catalogs are accessible through those tabs here. So we have one for each of the following categories. So alleles, assessments, experiments, lab tests, proteins, transcripts, and virus strains. And what those are lists of each of those that are contained in the shared data content. I should point out that this is data that is parsed, which means that it's data that is in our database, and it might not reflect every single piece of data that is actually in the shared data content. It's because some of the stuff we don't parse. So let me show you what this looks like. So you'll see they're basically big tables for all of the things. And these tables you can sort by each of the categories. And what it does is give you, for each of the reported, proteins in this case, a list of the measurement techniques that are associated with the protein in question, and what study you're going to find that protein in, and how many samples are going to relate to that protein. You can search through those catalogs. So for instance, if I'm interested in interferon, I can type IFNG, and this will return all of the instances where interferon gamma was looked at. And as you can see here, in that case, there's ELISpot experiments, there's ELISA, there's Luminex, and then I can look at each of those studies here directly through that link. So let me show you here. If you click on study, you get to the study page. One last thing, you can download those data catalogs by clicking on that link here. There's one for each of the data catalogs. There's one for experiments. And the file that comes out of this is a JSON formatted file.